Yes. What it is, man? It's your boy Congo Lion Crypto, and I'm back with another one. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you haven't signed up for Crypto.com, I have my link in the description. If you want to sign up, you can hit that link. Use the link to sign up. You get $25, and I get $25 if you use my link to sign up. That's just a way to start your crypto journey. Drinking my tea. That's just a way to start your crypto journey and you know and start making money. But anyway, man, today what I want to talk about today, I want to talk a little bit about the crypto DeFi wallet. Okay, crypto DeFi wallet. A lot of people have crypto right now, and they just have their crypto sitting there, and they really don't know that they could be making money on their crypto that they have sitting there. So that's why I'm at the DeFi wallet. I want to show a little bit about this DeFi wallet and how I make money from this DeFi wallet. And the same way I make money from this DeFi wallet, you could make money on this DeFi wallet. So let's get into, first of all, this down here it said wallet buy. So let me click buy, show you what buy is. So buy takes you to where you buy the coin. So any coin that you want to buy, because you can buy the coin inside your wallet. So it's the best way to do it. You buy the coin here and then go ahead and stake it here. So you don't even have to pay a fee to transfer. Because the thing about it, if you buy the coins and exchange, you still have to transfer the coin from your exchange to your wallet, you know, and they usually charge you a fee. So what I see is the best way to do it is to buy it exactly, if it's, buy it exactly in your wallet. So they got variety of different coins that you could really buy here and stake and earn money on your coins. So that that's what happened when you hit buy. You got dApps, and dApps take you to a bunch of different I would say what these bunch of different dApps that does the same thing, where you could transfer money, you could earn money, and you got OpenSea. Most people know about OpenSea. OpenSea is for NFT. Sushi. What we got? Hold on. Let me start from the top. We got Tectonic. You guys know. Some people know what Tectonic does, but Tectonic is a lending protocol. The same thing as VVS Finance. You lend, borrow, earn money there. Uniswap is the same thing. OpenSea is where you could buy NFT, and you could sell your NFT on OpenSea also. You could buy and sell. Sunday Swap, that's just came out. Then you got Pancake Swap, uh, the Chronos Chimp Club, and then you got Beefy Finance. So all these dApps right here is places for you to go and earn money and your coin. If you have coin, you just have to go there and see what kind of coin, what it takes, what's your percentage, and just start earning money there. You know what I'm saying? So that's what dApps do. Now you go to swap. If you go to swap kind of just swap the coin that you have. Say for instance, right now I have I have Tectonic, and if I want to swap Tectonic for something else, all I would have to do, I would have to just tap it. So once I tap it, because I'm not trying to swap, but see, once I tap it, it takes it up there. And once it takes it up there, so it would be so I would swap it from Tectonic to something else. So if I want to swap it for Crypto.com, all I would have to do is just tap Crypto.com. And basically what it does right here, it turns from Tectonic to Crypto.com. Now, I don't want to hit this transfer because I really don't want to swap these coins. So you know, I'm gonna undo all this. I'm just doing this for the video purpose to show you guys. But this is how you swap your tokens. And any tokens you have up there, as long as this dApp support that token, you put your token. If you don't want that token, you swap your token and you get something else, and you go ahead and stake that to earn money. And oops, I messed up. Uh, Let me see. Uh, Bear with me. So anyway, so all right, so I'm back in there. So that's how swap work. Now we go to earn, and earn is, as I said, this is where you earn the money. This is where you earn. So far, I earned $7.04 and interest and what I put in there, because I'm getting 11% off my CRO, 11.14% off my CRO that right now. So earn is where you come and you see the percentage that you get and the coin, whatever coin you have or whatever coin you choose to get. You see what percentage you could make on the coins right here. So that's how you do that. And then for me, I got my CRO. How to stake? How to stake once you hit earn more right here. This is how you stake. So now it tells you to choose a coin. So you choose whatever coin you have. The only coin I can choose is crypto.com, because that's the only coin that I have right now that's available. You know what I'm saying? The rest of the coins are already locked up. So the only thing I could tap is crypto.com. So once I hit crypto.com, it's gonna take me to the staking pool and stake my coin and let me know. Right now it tells me that I could earn up to 12.37%. So that's what it letting me know right now. So if I would have stake my what I got, I would if I would have stake my 3.7 crow, that's what I would get on my 3.7 crow if I stake my crow. But I'm not gonna do that. I use these crows so I could pay fees, because every time you make a transaction, every time you do a transaction, you have to pay fees. So I save those crows for paying my fees. So that's what these things do down here. If I want to take you to let me show you guys real quick. uh Every time I do that, sometimes it go up. Oh man, that's what I don't like about that. When I hit back, sometimes it just kick me off. But let's go back into it. And what I want to show you guys, the farm. I want to show you VVS farm, and I got a few things in there that I'm earning interest on right now. So let's go to the VVS farm and check it out. Okay, and give it a little minute to load up. But when you come to the VVS farm, you want to go to, stake VVS, and right here, you can earn passive income. So this is the VVS. This is the VVS mine. So once you come to the VVS mine, it's a bunch of different things you can do. But anyway, you want to. I'm gonna take you guys to my VVS. Okay, so this is the mine right here. So I'm in. You got Beefy. You could earn Beefy here. You could earn Tectonic. You could earn Single, and you earn VVS right there. And this one, you earn VVS also. So all right. So let me show you guys. So this one, I have 1 million. I have a million VVS in this pool right here, and I'm getting 101% APR on this one. And let's come down here, earn Tectonic. So all the tonic that I earn right here is from my VVS. So what I did, I staked 15 million VVS that worth $600, and so far I got $25, but I made $50. So far I made like $80 profit and my 15 million VVS, and it's still going. And as long as you let it stay here, you're always gonna earn coins on your money. And now you see what my 15 million VVS is, $25. Now that could change that could change within weeks, months, years. That could easily become $100,000. It could easily become $1 million. We don't know, what the market, how the market gonna go, but it's just the fact that you could buy a coin and come here and set it and earn coins that eventually turn into money. That's just a beautiful thing. So, I try to explain the best way I could. So this is what it is, man. So anybody out there that have their coins, or especially if you have VVS coin and you sit there with your VVS coin and it's not doing nothing, you could come to the crypto DeFi wallet and you could earn. And let me show you guys this before I go. I'll show you guys how you could pair coins, because you could put coins with each other and still earn money for that way. Where is it? Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Okay, I know where I go. I have to go back. Oh man, I have to take a sip of my tea while this thing load up. All right. So this is where you come. So you come to where it said start earning. Okay. So once I do that, take a little minute to load. But what this does, this is the crystal farm. What this does, all you have to do, you could pair these coins with each other and make a percentage. So as you can see, you got Ethereum CRO coin. You get 37% if you stake those. And how that works, you have to have the equal amount of CRO and the equal amount of Ethereum. So if it's $10 worth of Ethereum you're gonna put in, for instance, it gotta be $10 worth of Crow, and you stake them and you earn money. You earn the interest from both coins. The same thing with CRO and BTC. You stake your BTC, you have to put the same amount of each coin. You put them in and you earn. But just from looking here, you can see what's really going on. But that's how it is, and they have so many different uh, coins that you could stake, and make money, passive income. You just have to figure it out. I'm in the process of doing it. I'm not all the way there. You still learn every day, and you can never 100% right in your prediction, because you don't know. We just predicting them. We're just watching the market and see how it goes. So this is something that I want to show you guys real quick. I'm gonna do more videos about the DeFi wallet, because it's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna show you guys the NFT side of it too, because it's a lot of stuff you can do here. But anyway, man, it's your boy Congo Lion Crypto. I hope this video helped you a little bit, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to the channel, man, because I'm gonna keep bringing content. Y'all be safe out there.